Here's a thing about making seasoned crackers. You start with a normal cracker, and then you lay them out on a baking pan, and then you brush them with butter. But what makes them really, really, really good is that you season your butter. Garlic powder, onion powder, you can season it with dried herbs, oregano, paprika, or you can simply take a seasoning packet that you find in the grocery store, and then you just mix it in some melted butter. Take a brush, and then we just brush the butter onto the cracker. And then we bake these at 350 degrees, and you bake them for probably 3 to 5 minutes. If you want a golden cracker, it's probably more like 3 to 4, and a more toasty cracker, it's more like 5 to 6. You'll know when they're ready because you'll smell them. They're gonna smell so good in the oven, you'll know they're ready. And then you take them out, cool them, and you can store them in an airtight container for many, many days. So seasoned crackers, one of my most favorite things. After they're in the oven and they've baked, they come out golden, crispy, crunchy, crackly, and yummy. Perfect for dipping.